Hey guys, this is the Propidren DHT blocker and hair growth supplement. I wanted to explain to you the features and ingredients of this one. Now, the first thing you're going to notice about this one, it comes in these little easy to swallow capsules. They don't have a funny taste or aftertaste. But of course, the best part about this one is you're going to get this powerful blend. Not only are you going to get iron and zinc, you're also going to get biotin, saw palmetto, beta-sitosterol, horsetail extract, nettle extract, tea, pygeum bark powder, and green tea extract. They're also vegan and gluten-free and made in the USA, which is very important. So if you're looking for a DHT blocker and hair growth supplement that has a unique proprietary blend with some really nice ingredients, this might be perfect for you.